Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Donapati from G36. Our project is Visual Aid for the Visually Impaired. Before we get started, let's take a look at a brief overview of what our project is. It's basically a Flutter application in which users can send in visual input, be it images or videos, to the model to generate a brief description of it using pre-trained models. There are also features like text-to-speech and speech-to-text implemented. Okay, so coming to the tech stack, we are using this application is basically built on Flutter and Dart. We use Salesforce VQA model from Hugging Face for image captioning and visual question answering. Not BDQ's video GPT, also from Hugging Face, is used for the generation of um, description of the video. These two models, Salesforce and not BDQ's video GPT models, are run on Flask, and Firebase is also used for authentication and the storage of history. Now, this is the workflow, but I believe this can better be represented by the architecture diagram. This is the architecture diagram. So basically, our application is an Android application. It does not run on iOS currently. At the moment you open your application for the first time, it will send you to an authentication page. Um, this is basically Google authentication for privacy reasons. From there, you'll go to the media picker screen. The media picker screen lets you pick images or videos, which will be sent to the Flask server. You'll also send a chat, a question to the Flask server, and depending on your whether your media is an image or a video, it'll response is generated, and it'll be sent to the chat interface as a chat bubble. Um, you can also you can ask another question about this particular image, continue the conversation, and you can create a chat basically. And this chat will be stored in the history. This is not for the blind, visually impaired person, but this is more for their caretaker's sake. If they want to view the previous conversations, or if they want to, delete it for whatever reason. This is the application interface. This is the chat interface that I was talking about. This is how the history will be viewed. This is how the history will be viewed. So demo, let's take a look at the demo. This is the authentication screen, and this is the image picker screen. Two taps on the left side opens video camera, and two taps on the right side opens image camera. The user has now opened video camera and is taking a video.
The video shows a still shot of a desk in what appears to be a room in a house or an office. The desk is made of wood and has a few items on it, including a book, a wallet, and a phone charger. There is a window in the background and some items on the windowsill. The video is silent and there is no action.
There's also a gesture of activating audio by triple tap. This is what the user is doing right now.
The wallet is black.
So now let's take a look at the image uh, model. Double tap on the right side opens the image camera.
The image shows an open magazine about music downloads. The left page has a list of the top 10 digital singles staying longest at number 1 in the UK. The entries list the song, at the bottom of the page, there is a top 10.
The voice is also activated now.
Katy Perry is wearing a red sequined dress with a plunging neckline and a fitted bodice. Her arms are bare and she is wearing a red glove on her right hand. She is also wearing sparkly makeup and eye-catching glitter on her eyelids.
Now let's take a look at the chat history. You can also delete or continue previous conversations in this chat history. And so this is basically how our application works right now. Obviously, we plan on implementing better like more features. Some of the features are like smoother gestures, basically, especially in image, like in the chat interface. I felt like the triple tap gesture is a little bit janky and can be improved. We also plan on bringing hazard detection for identifying potentially dangerous objects and no notifying the user about it through an alarm or something, I guess. We also plan on bringing iOS support since this application is only Android right now. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you.